4D. More nerdy regular ER verbs in the present tense. Audio practice numbers 16 to 20. Et maintenant, fermez les yeux. Close your eyes. Numéro 16. Notez ce numéro, s'il vous plaît. Notez ce numéro, s'il vous plaît. Note this number down, please. The French don't say the down bit, just note. If you're able to repeat these out loud, it's really good for your accent. Really try to copy the sounds that you're hearing, especially those sounds that don't exist in English, like the U. Numéro. Très bien. Numéro 17. Nous gaspillons notre argent. Nous gaspillons notre argent. We're wasting our money. Numéro 18. Il ou elle brise le pare-brise. So even if you don't know what I'm saying, repeat it out loud. It's how you learnt your own language. Il ou elle brise le pare-brise. They're smashing the windscreen. Numéro 19. L'eau coule du robinet. L'eau coule du robinet. The water's dripping or running from the tap. Numéro 20. Elle chante faux. Elle chante faux. Singular. She sings out of tune. Or she's singing out of tune. Or she does sing out of tune. The reason I said singular is because the plural, they, are singing out of tune. Sounds the same in French. Elle chante faux. But the context would let you know which one it was. D'accord de l'anglais en français. Number 16. Addressing vous. Note this number down, please. Note this number down, please, addressing vous. And remember, they don't say down in French. Notez ce numéro, s'il vous plaît. Notez ce numéro, s'il vous plaît. Number 17. Using nous. We're wasting our money. We're wasting our money. Nous gaspillons notre argent. Nous gaspillons notre argent. Number 18. They're smashing the windscreen. They're smashing the windscreen. Il ou elle brise le pare-brise. Il ou elle brise le pare-brise. Number 19. The water's dripping from the tap or running from the tap. The water's dripping from the tap or running from the tap. L'eau coule du robinet. L'eau coule du robinet. Number 20. She sings out of tune. She sings out of tune. Elle chante faux. Elle chante faux. Bravo, bravo, bravo. If you are a member of the Fun French clan, you have plenty of these exercises and plenty of lovely, lovely, lovely useful ER verbs in French to love and learn. Next time, we will be looking at the ER verbs with tiny little quirks, very small quirks. Enjoy! À la prochaine fois! Mouah, mouah, mouah.